Hello, boys and girls. Today, Benny Bear is going on an adventure to learn about the letter R. Are you ready? Ready as can be. Benny Bear replied excitedly. Our first stop is the garden. What do we see growing here? Roses, and they start with the letter R, Benny Bear said excitedly. That's right, Benny. Roses start with R. What else starts with R? The narrator encouraged. Rabbits, Benny Bear replied excitedly. Look, Benny, a whole family of rabbits has come to nibble the roses. The narrator said excitedly, They are so cute. Rabbits really like roses, Benny Bear said happily. Our last R word for today is rainbow, the narrator said excitedly. Just like my bow tie, Benny Bear said proudly. That's right, Benny. Roses, rabbits, and rainbows all start with R, the narrator said cheerfully. Learning is so much fun, Benny Bear exclaimed happily. What an amazing adventure through the alphabet. But the fun doesn't stop here. Want to keep exploring with us? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss the next exciting letter in Alphabet Adventureland. See you next time for more magical ABC fun.